Hey, N.O. in this bitch, and this how I get down. Let's do it. Hey, light 'em up, roll 'em up, drink up, drink up, drink up, drink up. Check this shit out. Where I'm from, we eat hot sausages. Fuck around, boy, and get melt like a hot pocket. It's crazy. Where I'm from, you don't walk right way, you walk right down. And walk in the crossfire with a haywire. Helicopters all over by wires. Here come the coppers, time to run. Grab them damn choppers, time to gun. Gun them down, hit them hard like concrete. Pick them up, still black them over with a white sheet. Let the homicides deal with them. We don't give a fuck. Headed back to the cut, all third wall, ducked off like a Jeep, nigga. Uptown on your million, on your street, nigga. By the beef shop. Should I say barbershop? Me and my nigga Aaron Jigger, that's our spot. We hold it down. Uptown representer. Pass on Claiborne Deckman, shot bottles enter. All day you see me and my niggas get twisted up. You can't even fuck with this shit that's so ripped up. I got you niggas fooled and got you niggas fake. But I know how to play it, cause I'm a snake. You think you a big dog? Let the snake wrap around you and bite your head off like a pit bull, nigga. Shit, little nigga. I'm the motherfucking pool, nigga. Nigga wonder how I got open. I told them open their eyes, I'm smoking, choking on them. They just stoking on them. You get full of that oil, you straight throw on them. But that ain't me though. Stomach too strong. And I ain't talking about heroin. None of that opium shit. Only mean green, gutted and bitch. This here so damn heavy. Cover weight like a Mac 11. Cup so heavy like a Mac 11. Cup so heavy like a Mac 11. Cut so hard like a Mac 11. That's how I hit my cut like a Mac 11. Yeah, here we go. I send a shout out to my nigga O. Can't forget about my nigga V. I see you, Jerry. Rest in peace. On that other side, I see you real smooth. But let me get through the dark and the moon. Let me make it through the clouds so I can see you soon. Let me pass up the sun and say I'm the one. Blessed from who? Blessed from true. Came up in the game, came nothing but do. Everything I did wasn't nothing but true. Everything I wrote, it came right through. When I say something, it means something. Put it down, playboy, or get stuck. Niggas, they don't even know if they gonna coming. That's why I grab my Bible. They don't know if they running towards me or towards God. They running with tubes and they running so hard. They shooting anywhere. They don't even know how to aim. But let them hit one of my peoples, they gon' sing brains. They mama gon' sing like mines. They mama gon' get like mines. Make tears come to your eyes quicker and quicker. Blood get thicker. Yeah, blood get thicker.